sigurado dun sa unang testigo nila kasi meron silang backup eh. And that tells me something. Actually, that tells me something about the mindset of the prosecution na maybe they're not 100% confident of what they have. Parang meron silang mga ano eh, yung kumaga parang masyado silang naninigurado, which actually tells us na maybe they are not 100% confident with what they have. 'Di ba? I'm sure alam mo 'yan as an entrepreneur, as a marketing person, 'di ba, na kapag hindi ka sigurado sa gagawin mo, marami kang mga backup, 'di ba? So, yun ang sigurong minor pushback ko lang sa ganong pag-withdraw ng mga witnesses. It in a way tells me, at least ako, it tells me na it's possible that they're not really 100% confident na they have a strong set of evidence to support their case. Kasi if they did, then hindi na sila naglatag ng ganong karaming testigo, ganong karaming trial dates. 'Di ba? Kung alam na nila slam dunk na yung unang dalawang testigo, di hindi na dapat ganun katagal yung schedule nila for the Article 4. So yun lang naman ang ano ko.